In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate a seller on Facebook Marketplace. First, make sure you're signed in to your Facebook account on the mobile app. Ratings are mostly available on mobile, and that's where the option reliably shows up. If you're on desktop and don't see anything about ratings, switch to the app and try again to save time and frustration. From the home screen, open the menu by tapping the three lines, then choose Marketplace. That takes you into the buying and selling hub where all your recent activity and messages live. We're heading there because the rating option is tied directly to your marketplace conversations. Next, open your chat with the seller. You can only rate a seller after you've messaged them or completed a transaction, so the rating starts from that conversation thread. Tap Inbox, then open the conversation with the person you bought from. If you messaged multiple sellers, make sure you're in the chat for the exact item you purchased so the rating pairs with the correct listing. Inside the chat, scroll and look for the option to rate seller or leave a review. Facebook adds this automatically when it detects a completed interaction. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a few hours and in some cases up to 14 days for the prompt to appear. Just revisit the chat later. There's nothing extra you need to do to trigger it. When the option appears, tap it and select your star rating. 5 stars means excellent, 4 is good, 3 is average, 2 is poor, and 1 is very poor. Think about the overall experience. Did the item match the description? Was the seller responsive? And did the meetup or shipping go as expected? Choose the number of stars that best reflects that full picture. You'll also have the option to add a short written review. This part is optional, but highly helpful. Keep it concise and specific. You can comment on the item's condition, the seller's communication, their punctuality, and their honesty about any flaws. Clear, respectful feedback helps future buyers make informed decisions, and it gives the seller constructive insight. Stick to facts, avoid sharing personal details, and focus on what you experienced. That's all there is to it. Log in on the Facebook app, go to Marketplace, open your chat with the seller, look for the automatic rate seller prompt, choose the stars that match your experience, and, if you'd like, add a brief, honest review. Your rating not only supports good community behavior, it also makes Marketplace safer and more transparent for everyone.